welcome back to my channel. We got a special guest with us today. He is super excited. He's really not excited, but I know he's gonna be excited with the treats. Yeah, want some treats? Want some treats? He knows where they are. Alrighty. To the viewers, don't forget to subscribe to my mama's channel and hit that bell button to be notified whenever mama makes a new video. Maybe I might be in it, so you push that button and you get notified. Okay. I'm a bubbish. So this here is Brodie James. Brodie James is 4 years old. He is a grumpy old man. When I tell you he grumpy, oh, he grumpy. He's very grumpy. And he acts like an old man. Oh, come here. All right, let's see what his treats look like. And I have to break the hot dog in half, and half, and half, and in half, because this little boy's mouth is too small and he'll choke, right? All righty. Let's start with sit. Good boy. All right, paw. Paw. Let me see your paw. Paw. Good boy. Other paw. Good boy, papachitos. All right. Yummy, yummy. All right. Let's see. Up. Good boy. Let me see. Come here. Sit. Sit, sit, sit. Good boy. Around. Good boy. Who's your handsome babas? Who's so handsome? Yummy, yummy. All right. Let's see. Lay. Lay. Good boy. Roll over. Good boy, chiquitito mommy, little baby. You're so smart. Yes, you're so smart. All right. Sit. Good boy. Let's do sit handsome. Sit handsome. Sit handsome. Good boy, sit handsome. Wow, you're such a handsome boy. Right, sit handsome. Sit handsome. Sit handsome. Here you go. You're so handsome. All right, let's see. He's looking at the... All right, you ready for the fashion show? You ready to show everybody all the clothes you own? We're probably not gonna show them all the clothes because I know you get annoyed, right? Right, you'll get annoyed. So you're smiling with your teeth. You're showing your teeth. Wow. He's like, what is this? I have a big old ring light in his face. All right, let's get to it. He's like, let's get started in the fashion show. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay. First, let's just show them what you're wearing. We are wearing the No Photos Please shirt. A ver, a ver, a ver. Let's go around. Around. Woohoo. Show vuelta, vuelta, vuelta. All right. He's looking at the treats. All righty. Come here. Get a treat. Good boy. Good boy. All right. First, we're going to start with the tank top. Let's get naked. Woo! Brody, let me see you naked. Come here. I mean, go over there. Come here. Put your shirt on. Put your shirt. Look. Do you like this one? It says Pup-tastic, and it has a little hoodie. Ooh. Come here. Don't look at me like your mama don't feed you. Come here. Kissy mama. Kissy. Ah, thank you, Baba. You're so handsome. So this is the shirt. Yeah. This is the back of the shirt. Let me see. With the treat. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Side view. Next up, I make trouble look good. Woo! Come here, Brody. Show everybody what the back looks like. Woo! Party, party. His eyes. Oh my goodness. Why are you acting like this? Huh? Why are you acting like this? Here. Being a good boy, you get a treat. Do you like that one? That was the burger one. You like it? Can you give your mama a kissy? Ah, thank you, Baba. Thank you so much. All right. On to the next. All right, so next one is Mama's Boy. I really don't like the glitter on it. It has some glitter on it, but he's a Mama's Boy. Right here, Mama's Boy? Show everybody the back. Ooh. His face from the front. Show them. Ooh. Show your big eyes. Ooh. Be there. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? No? Okay. Come here. Come here. Let me see. Sit. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. Oh, so you good boy stand up? No, good boy sit down. Yeah? Yeah? All right. You can sit handsome for me? Sit handsome. Sit handsome. Good boy. Woo-hoo! He is so annoyed with me right now. All right. On to the next. All right. Show them the back. Woo! Look, over there. Did you move your teeth? Oh, you moved your teeth. Here. You're gonna be so fat by the end of this video. Yes. Oh, I didn't say what the shirt says. I'm sorry. Right now we'll finish, okay? It says Dog Park Champ. Ooh, you the Dog Park Champ? Dog Park Champ. Dog Park Champ. Yup. Next is his Bucky's t-shirt. Woo-hoo. Bucky. Show everybody how you dance. Show everybody how you dance. Show everybody. No, don't sit on me. Kissy. Aw, thank you. Thank you. Okay. More treats for you. Next one, obviously I already changed him, is one of his sweaters. You like your sweater? Yeah? No? Maybe, possibly, I don't know. Oh, he burped, guys. Ooh, he went burp. Here's a treat. For being a good boy, you behave, yes? Yes? Let everybody see your face. Come here. Sit. Good boy. Look. Over there. Who is it? Over there? No. All right, good boy. Let's change out of the sweater. Ain't about that sweater weather right now. says, Mama's little boy. Woo-hoo. All right. Can you say handsome for her, Mama? Can you say handsome? No? You mad at Mama? Yeah. I'm sorry. But you love the shirts. Tell him. Tell him you feel like you are untouchable. Tell him. What was that? Oh. He said that that he feels like you guys are gonna be making fun of him. They're not gonna make fun of you, Babash. They're not. Okay? Mama will fight them. I'll fight them for you. I'll fight all of them. Yeah. For you? Yes. You don't want a treat? No? How about this one? How about this one? No? Okay. Alright, so this is my son's personal little baby closet, aside from my stuff that I have as well. That's his little basket when we go traveling. His food, I get him for health, and I get him the flavored chicken and rice. And that's his little lifeguard jacket, his little booties. But yeah, so he has a couple of sweaters. He has a jacket, a poofy jacket. This is his onesie to go to sleep when it's winter time, when he has no fur. And he has his regular t-shirt. He has his tank tops for when it's hotter. And he has his, you know, nice shirts. He has his little jersey. Behind there, we got his pads, his pee-pee pads. He's got his little medicine back there. We have more shirts that I don't have hangers for. He has his little hats back there. And yeah. So this is his little baby closet. You like the puffy jacket? Yeah? No? Well, all right, let's take it off. All right, got his nice looking shirt for the ladies out there. Yeah. Show them little bow tie. Yeah. Good job, Mom. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. No? All right, all right. This one says, tough like mama, with a little hoodie. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. No. He's like, hurry, we'll get this over with. I am so over this, Mom. Right? You're over this. Alrighty. Show them what the back looks like. Show them what you're working with. Show them what you're working with. What? Show them what you're working with. Show them what you... No. He's like... Alrighty. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Around? Alright, you're not even... Alright. When he starts yawning like that a lot, it's because his anxiety. Okay. Let's just do 2 more. Yeah? 2 more? 2 more. Don't leave just yet. One of his Halloween costumes back in the day. Go ay 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 ay. Go oh. No. No. Party, party, party! Bring out the tequila. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. This one says All-American Doggy. Right after the Mexican one. Fun fact, Brody is from Alice. I bought him from this guy that I had on Snapchat. He had posted his grandma had Shih Tzus. So I was like, I want one. And yeah. So I drove to Alice. It was in the summer. And I was taking summer classes in the valley. So I drove to Alice to go pick up the little boy. And he likes his little costume, little hat that we have right here. Has little feathers on the side. Woohoo! He is frozen. Playing staring game. All right, show handsome. Show them what they're working with. Woohoo! Y'all, he is not having it anymore. Look at him. Okay. You want to finish there? You want to stop? Yeah, he's had it. So I think we're just gonna close out the video. You gonna say bye, Brody? All right. So I still had a lot more clothes to go over, but of course I knew I wasn't gonna do all of them. Poor dog, you're not ever gonna do all of them. But fun fact, this one right here was his first ever little shirt. It's so small compared to the ones he has now. Still, I wanted to put his little referee one on, his pajama one, there's a lot of them. But for the most part, you guys got to see a little glimpse of all his types of shirts that he has. He has tanks, he has regular shirts, he has sweaters, he has jackets. I didn't put on the life jacket like I told you for when he goes swimming. He doesn't even like to go swimming, but yeah. So, yeah, he is frozen. Okay, so I'm just going to close out the video here. So don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video if you liked it. I hope you guys did, because I put my baby through some torture. I normally just, put on one shirt and leave him to go be for a couple of days, and then after a shower, switch out his shirt. But never have I ever freaking put on multiple shirts at the same time, continuously. So I'm pretty sure he's like, I'm pretty sure he was freaking out in the beginning, and then he got annoyed, and now he's just like, done. You're done, Baba? You're done? So then you take off the hat. No, let's leave the hat on so you can say your goodbyes, and then we'll take off the hat. Alrighty, so we can say bye. Say bye, everybody. Hope you like watching me go from 0 to 100 to being annoyed. Come on, kissy. Kissy. Thank you, Baba. She still gives Mama kisses. Alrighty, so yeah. Hope you guys liked the video again. Don't forget to like this video. You know what? Like this video, because give it a thumbs up. Because this poor baby, look at him. Look at, give him a thumbs up. Give him a thumbs up. Tell him. He's like, I don't care. Just get me out of this. He doesn't like the hat. He doesn't like hats. So yeah, and go ahead and follow me on all my social medias if you want. And yeah. He's so funny. Okay, bye, goodbye, adios. Hasta la vista. Until later. Bye. There. Ya se acabó.